Welcome back to Poultry Farm Guide. On today's video, we're going to demonstrate how we use neem leaf for our chickens, also known as Dogoyaro leaf. Why neem leaf? Neem leaf have been used, I believe, by our forefathers in treating several illnesses like cough, malaria in humans. So on today's video, we're going to see how effective this leaf is to our chickens. I'm going to give you the dosage application of this neem leaf to the drinking water of the chickens. So without no further ado, let's get started. So welcome back. As I said earlier, this is neem leaf, Dogoyaro leaf. So we're going to extract the neem leaf water or extract from the leaf, and we're going to include it in the drinking water of the chickens. Okay, you can do this in two ways. Either you blend it and filter out the juice, or you boil this leaf and drain out the water and give it to your chickens. Either way is possible. If you want to preserve this leaf extract, you can put this in your refrigerator, or you can use molasses. That is organic preservative molasses. Most of you have seen it, or they do sell it in the market, or you prepare it yourself. For sugar cane, you can prepare molasses and you can use it to preserve this leaf extracts. Okay, so without no further ado, let's get started. So this is me preparing the leaf extract, neem leaf extract, also known as Dogoyaro extract. Okay, we are specifically treating for coccidiosis in chickens, bloody poo, reddish poo in your chickens. Whenever your chickens are pooing reddish or bloody poo, you can serve these extracts to them to treat it. Okay. Other benefits of neem leaf to chicken is as a growth promoter. You can add grinded powder of neem leaf. If you dry the leaf, you can grind it into powder and add it to the chicken feed while formulating the chicken feed or mixing the chicken feed. You can add 0.5% of the powder to 0 to 2% of the powder to the chicken feed. Another properties is antimicrobial properties. Neem extract possesses antimicrobial, antifungal, antiviral properties, which can help protect chickens against various infections. Thirdly, immune system support. Neem extract can enhance antibody production against diseases like Newcastle disease and infectious bursar disease, also known as gumboro, strengthening the chicken's immunity. Another benefit includes mite treatment, lice, flea, those exoparasites that disturb your chickens, that stress your chickens. You can use neem oil, can be used to rub in the affected areas, especially these legs. This can help drive parasites like mites from the body of your chickens. So this extract was prepared late at night, as you can see in the video. So it took us till evening. I started late, around 6:30. So I was not able to complete the video. After boiling the leaf for about 20 to 25 minutes, I brought it down. As you can see, I stirred it. After that, I have to filter off the water or the extracts. Yes, this is me filtering out the water, and I gave some of these to the bird that evening, that late in the evening. So I kept the remnants till the next day to complete this video, the demonstration of this video. So please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, do endeavor to subscribe, like the video, so that you can get more notification whenever I release video like this. So this is me the next day demonstrating how to include this extract, this wonderful extract to your chicken water. According to research, you can add 1 to 35 ml of this extract if boiled to 250 ml of the extract to a liter of water. If boiled, you add just the way I did. If you boiled the leaf, you can add 125 ml to 250 ml per liters of water. If grounded or grounded with a machine or blended, you can add 30 to 50 ml. You can add 30 to 50 ml per liters of water if blended. Yes, but in this case, I boil the leaf. So I'm using my intuition to add about below 100. That is what I added there. I started slow with low quantity, with small quantity. Yes. Then I can increase when my chicken do not have problem with the extract. Okay, always start slow or small. Start small when adding this extract so that enjoying it. If you want to learn how to use purple extract for chicken, please watch the next video on your screen right now. Sam is out. See you on my next video.